Received an ACI file from a designer and need to load those exact colors into your project? This format keeps brand colors consistent across Adobe applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to import these Adobe color swatches. Get ready for the finale. The power of this solution comes from the deep ACI file analysis provided by one specific inspection tool that is truly universal in its application. An ACI file stores a custom color palette created in Adobe Photoshop. Users create and share these files to maintain color consistency across multiple design projects or among team members. The primary user intent is to load a specific predefined set of colors into the Photoshop Swatches panel for easy access during editing. The ACI format is a proprietary binary file designed for the efficient storage and rapid retrieval of color data. It contains a list of color values, typically in RGB or CMYK models, organized in a compact structure. This binary design ensures fast loading times and protects the integrity of the color information within the Adobe ecosystem. The application responsible for generating the ACI file is typically Adobe Photoshop by Adobe Systems Incorporated. Metadata editing, crucial for this file, requires a specific application beyond standard Windows viewers. Windows shows the entries plainly, but proper adjustments require knowledge of the system or software. We are going to find the right reader. Right-click the ACI file and click Open With. Try launching with Adobe Photoshop first, as it's the recommended tool. If that doesn't work, test others until you find a match. If the ACI file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Failure of the main program tells us the ACI error is systemic. Let's not waste time. Here are 3 essential steps to troubleshoot the file right now. First, importing in Adobe apps. Open the Swatches panel in Photoshop Illustrator or InDesign using Window then Swatches. Click the panel menu and select Load Swatches or Import Swatches. Navigate to the ACI file and click Open. The colors are added to the active document swatch library, ready for use in fill strokes and effects. Next, sharing via Creative Cloud. Upload the ACI file to Adobe Color at color.adobe.com to create a shareable library accessible across all Adobe Creative Cloud applications and team members. Sync libraries through CC Libraries panel for automatic distribution to collaborators, ensuring consistent color usage across an entire design team or organization. Finally, converting to other formats. Convert ACI files to ASC Adobe Swatch. Exchange format, using Adobe Illustrator's Save Swatch library, as function for broader compatibility. For non-Adobe tools, export to GPL GIMP palette format or CSV using online converters or scripts. This enables color sharing with Sketch, Figma, Affinity, or open source design applications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.